An outdoor entertainment area adds value to your home. When people are home shopping, they like to see a finished outdoor living area. With a beautifully designed patio or porch, you can add value to your home while also enjoying better use out of your space. A patio or porch is a welcome addition to your backyard, giving you a beautiful space to enjoy the climate. If you're considering putting in a new patio or updating your porch to make it more enjoyable, there are many benefits you can enjoy. A patio or porch gives you a practical living area, outdoors. Consider adding a grill station or an outdoor kitchen to make the space even more functional. You'll be close to your home and kitchen, while enjoying the outdoor air and climate. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Whether you're a homeowner or a renter, patios in your home design can be a great addition to any outdoor living space. Whether you want to enjoy the outdoors with an intimate dinner for two or host a large party for all of your friends and family, having a patio in your home design is sure to make everyone happy. Pergolas are essential additions to your patio. A pergola could sound like something from the past, but it can actually be a huge part of a modern backyard. When paired with a patio, a pergola can give your yard that extra spark. Give yourself some shade, or simply create a cozier space to relax with an inside feel. Patios are a good way to add curb appeal with their landscape design additions and also the functionality of your home's outdoor area. Adding a patio can make your home more attractive and also make it a suitable place to host different activities with your friends and family. Patios extend the latest living space in your home. You can enjoy the view of your backyard even during rainy days, provided you enclose the patio. There's also the option of leaving it open and letting it be an extension of your home. Sometimes patios and landscape designs additions can be used to add more rooms to your home, such as kitchens, bedrooms, etc. Modern sheds are extremely popular right now. Whether used for home offices, workout spaces, or anything in between, sheds help to complete the modern backyard ideas list. Sometimes called cozy pods, these sheds are completely finished on the inside. This allows you to create an area for whatever you need. Adding lattice coverage on your patio enables you to control the sunshade allowed on your patio by adjusting the spacing on your lattice tube. There are also other options where you can have a patio which enables you to control how much UV sunlight gets into your patio. Adding a fireplace to your patio is one of the best things you can do. You can also buy a movable fire pit online or in a store. This option leaves room for error when trying to figure out which ones are good quality. The non-permanent fire pits also succumb to the weather faster than the permanent ones. If you leave your metal or wooden fire pit uncovered, it could rust or rot out. However, this will be the less expensive option. Whatever option you choose, give your modern backyard the comfortable touch of a fire pit. Patios provide a great entertainment spot. Work and no play is not a good thing. If you're stuck indoors all day long, it can get pretty boring and stale after a while. A patio is a perfect place to unwind and relax with friends or family members in your free time. You can host pool parties, barbecues, and breakfast on weekends, and so much more. Adding a patio costs less money than other additions. When it comes to decorating your home, sometimes it can be hard to find the right pieces that will fit well within your budget. It is essential to create a space for you and your family that isn't just aesthetically pleasing and affordable. A patio, in this instance, could help save money because it offers so many benefits at such an inexpensive price tag. Patios provide you with extra living space. Even on rainy days or in the cold, you can enjoy your patio if you enclose it. You can also leave it open and let your home extend naturally. Patios act as an extension to whichever room you build it out from. For many homes, this means a bigger kitchen, living room, or even bedroom. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.